Okay, so I just found out that Chrome has added some intriguing headers like X browser validation. Have you seen it?
Wait, seriously? I hadn't heard about that. What does X browser validation even do?
It's fascinating. Apparently, it might be used as an integrity signal, like checking if the user agent is legit.
Oh, wow, that's actually kind of genius. So it's like a security check to prevent spoofing.
Exactly. It's trying to verify the user agent string matches what's really going on under the hood.
That makes total sense. But how does it even generate that validation hash?
So here's the wild part. It combines a hard-coded API key with the full user agent string, hashes them, and then encodes it.
Hold on. It uses SHA-1 for hashing, right? That's been around forever. Is it still secure?
Good point. SHA-1 is kind of outdated now, but it's intriguing that they still use it for something like this.
Right? I wonder why they opted for SHA-1 instead of something newer. Any insights?
Maybe it's about legacy support? Plus, it works for what they need, but still it's a little nerve-wracking.
True. And they have different keys for different platforms like Windows and Mac OS. That's interesting.
Yeah. It's like they tailor the security for each operating system. Makes you wonder about mobile, too.
Exactly. What about Linux? Does it have its own key? That's kind of cool.
Yep, each platform has its own unique key, which adds an extra layer of security.
I'm trying to picture how they handle that. Does it all happen in the background?
For sure. The hashing and encoding happen as part of the request, probably without the user noticing.
And here I thought all these headers were just for show. This is blowing my mind.
Right? It's like every part of a request has its own story, and this X browser validation header is fascinating.
I love how tech has these under-the-hood operations that most users just don't think about.
Definitely, and the reverse engineering aspect of it gives us this peek into how it all works.
Speaking of which, how'd you even find this out? Did someone expose it, or was it a deep dive?
Just a casual read-through of some documentation, and then digging into the chrome.dll. Super intriguing.
Wow, so you're telling me they actually coded the way to build these headers into the binary?
Exactly. They have a function that handles all the X browser headers. Isn't that wild?
It makes me rethink how I understand browser security as a whole. Such a complex web.
Totally. It's not just about what users see, but what developers have to consider behind the scenes.
And it's cool to see how they're meticulously setting up those parameters.
Honestly, it gives a nod to how much detail goes into securing online experiences.
Exactly. Makes you appreciate the silent work going on, right? Like an unsung hero.
Haha, yes. And who knew something as simple as a browser header could spark such a deep conversation?
I mean, who would have thought there were layers to browser headers this intricate?
It's like peeling an onion. You keep discovering new layers. What about the implications of this?
Oh, definitely. Imagine if the public understood this. Would they feel safer or more skeptical?
Great question. I think understanding leads to more informed choices in tech day to day.
So informative. It's like clicking through the surface of tech into the more complex realities.
And isn't that what we should aim for? More curiosity and exploration into these kinds of aspects.
Absolutely. And this type of insight could change how we interact with technology moving forward.
Right. I think the more we understand, the more responsibility we take as tech users.
Exactly. It's all interconnected: security, user experience, and trust.
So the real takeaway is that those little headers contribute way more than we realize.
And it's a reminder to stay curious. The tech landscape is always evolving, and we should keep exploring.